How to sign up for a DoorDash driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily register to become a DoorDash driver. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now let us jump right in. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to any web browser on your PC or your phone and then search for DoorDash.com/dasher. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. Search for DoorDash.com and then /dasher, hit enter, and you'll be taken to this page right here. Now once you land on this page, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. And if you are already signing up, you can click on here to continue with your sign up. I'm just going to show you guys to how to sign up completely as a new driver. So the first thing you're going to have to do is enter the postal code of the area that you're going to be driving on. So I'm just going to do that. And once you have done that, you can enter your valid email address. So you just have to make sure that you have access to this email at all times. And then you will have to enter your phone number here. After you have entered your phone number, you are just going to go ahead and click on the sign up. And if you want to be updated on special offers or Dasher news via SMS sent, you can check this box and you'll get all of those new messages and updates on your SMS. And after you click on sign up, you'll be taken to a different page where you will have to select your vehicle type and then all of your vehicle information, including your insurance. And then finally, what you can do is simply go ahead and select and confirm the area of your delivery. And then you'll have to provide your valid driver license and all of your details. And after doing all of that, you should be able to sign up to become a DoorDash driver. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.